Okay, so in this video, we're talking about transformations. We talk about isometric transformations, or they're called rigid motions. And it is a transformation that keeps the same shape and size. So it has to keep this shape the same and the size the same. So this would be yes. So our rotations isometric, yes. Our translations isometric, yes. And our reflections isometric, yes. So rotations, translations, and reflections are all isometric because our shapes stay the same shape and size. A non-isometric transformation, or a non-rigid motion, does not keep the same shape and size. So a dilation is no, because the size is not the same. A stretch is no, because the size and the shape are not the same. This is just another stretch, so it would also be no. What is a stretch? When some points move and some don't. And then a dilation when all points move by the same scale factor. Meaning if it's a dilation, the shape is going to look the same. It's just either going to be bigger or smaller. So it says, which of the following are isometric transformations? Same shape and size, so not this one because it became smaller. Not this one because it became stretched. So it would be this one. And then it says, what type of transformation was that? Here it was a dilation. Here it was a stretch. And then here he flipped, so it was a rotation. That's all for the first page. And then the next page. Which ones are isometric transformations here? Here it turns, here it flips, and then this is a stretch, so no. So it is a rotation, a reflection, and a stretch. And then we do it with ordered pairs. So we're looking at our coordinate rule. It becomes y becomes negative. So our x stays the same and our y becomes negative. I'm looking at these points here. And then my x stays the same, y becomes negative, x stays the same, y becomes negative. I'm going to plot them. Negative 1, 1 is A prime. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is B prime. And C is 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, C prime, connect, connect, connect. So it says, and my shape doesn't look right. Oh, this point should have been here. So it should have been look like that. And then it says, is this isometric? It should be yes. And it was a reflection. And then a translation here, it's negative 2y, so the x stays the same. I'm looking at these, that's going to stay 0. X stays the same, negative 6, x stays the same, 0. So I'll plot 0, 0, A prime, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's B prime, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 is C prime. So they took the B and they flipped it and stretched it. So it is no, and this would be a stretch. And I think that's it for notes 3, 4. Yep. So make sure you get all of that.